Benji Paras, forward pass dito kay John Best. John Best with a getaway at yun yung pinakamadaling basket so far na nakita natin sa gabing ito. Pero early nakita mo yung help defense no, biglang tumarating kagad sa post enders. Al Solis, he rings the bell from PLDT Country's first three-pointer for the night. Williams, ito hirap na hirap ang Formula Shell. At ito si Donald Williams, what of a prayer, pumasok. Capasio naghihintay doon, and Glenn Capasio from PLDT Long Distance Country, yes!
McLaren mukhang babawiin din.
Oh, what a sidestepping move coming from John Best.
At guard number 8, Al Solis. At guard number 12, Glenn Capasio. At center number 1, Silas Mills. At forward number 10, Alvin Tang. At forward number 25, G. McLary. Head coach Eric Alvarado, assistant coaches are Frankie Lynn and Ryan Gregorio. And now the starting five for Formula Shell Super Athlete. Guard number 30, Jerry Esplana.
Mahulog kaya ang mga lobong yan ngayong gabi? Yan ang malaking katanungan sa ballgame na to mga kaibigan. Game 6 po tayo ng finals sa pagitan ng Mobiline Foam Pals at ng Formula Shell Super Unleaded. At sa isang panalo ng Mobiline, makukuha po nila ang kampyonato at mahuhulog ang mga lobong yan. Pero kung mananalo ang Formula Shell sa araw ng Martes, doon pa magkakaalaman.
Oo, at magtatagal muna sa itaas yung mga lobong yan. At pag-usapan natin kanina yung Mobiline, pag-usapan natin ulit yung Shell bago mag-umpisa rito. Ang naging problema nila nung last game, ang kanilang rebounding masyadong masama. Itong local scoring nila, problema rin. So we'll have to see some point production and offense from Vic Pablo and Benji Paras.
Looking at the starters mga kaibigan, at sa pagitan po ng sa bahagi ng Mobiline Foam Pals, binabanggit na nga natin, medyo short sila ng mga tauhan. Papasok sa ball game nito, Tony Boy Espinosa, nakatamo ng injury noong pong Game 5. And Al Solis, sa po nagsimula para dito sa Mobiline Foam Pals. Unang possession ng Mobiles, mananakaw ng Shell. Counter steal there by Al Solis. And Al Solis going strong to the hoop.
Ito, Al Solis with a big responsibility on his shoulders. Wala nga si Tony Boy, nabanggit mo. So siya muna magpo-point dito. And most likely, for most of the game, he'll play point guard for Mobiline.
There's a baseline exchange between Williams and John Best. Dito kumukuha si T. McLary kay John Best. Inside the shaded lane. Lumabas dito kay Jerry Esplana. Nababanggit natin ang local support ng Formula Shell Super Unleaded. Isang segundo na lalabi sa kanilang shot clock at sa unang opensiba ng Formula Shell, mabe-24han ang mga Gas Kings.
Oo, matindi yung depensa ng Mobiline. Pinakita nila yung unang defensive stop nila. Talagang hindi nakashoot itong Shell.
Papasok nga dito sa ball game na to, masasabi natin, well, the pressure is on Formula Shell Super Unleaded. Pagkat nga naman isang panalo na lamang ay makukupo na ng Mobiline Foam Pals ang Governor's Cup.
Naku. Ayan ang pinakamasarap na usap-usapan yan sa loob ng PBA. Pinakamasarap na championship yung huling-huli.
Oo, papasok medyo papalapit ng Pasko, hindi ba?
Oo, yun ang pinakamasarap na championship talaga.
Samantala ito, bigo ang Mobiline Foam Pals. Nanatiling 2-0 ang ating talaan dito sa pagbubukas po ng ating first quarter mula sa Cuneta Astrodome. Mon Liboro kasama si PBL Commissioner at Coach Yeng Yao. Ayan, ito ngayon si Donald Williams. Donald Williams. Ito na naman, mauubusan na naman sila dito. Masasapal pa ni Silas Mills. At wala silang magawa dito sa depensa ang pinapakita ng Mobiline Foam Pals.
Ang ginagawa ng Shell kasi, they're trying to rely mostly on their one-on-one attacks. At sa tingin ko, masyado pang maaga para magpuro isolation sila. They should just go on their half-court offense.
And meanwhile, makikita mo yung Mobiline. Kumbaga, talagang nag-dig in sila doon sa depensa nila that time, preventing yung incursions ng imports ng Formula Shell. Under 10 minutes sa ating first quarter. Entry pass dito kay T. McLary. Labas kay Al Solis. From PLDT Long Distance Country, bigo itong si Al Solis.
Ito nakikita natin mo na sa itsura nito magiging defensive match. Most or all of these players are really intent on stopping their own people or stopping their own man.
And there's Silas Mills, fouled there by Benji Paras. Silas Mills won't be denied. It's now 4-0 and Formula Shell has yet to score in this ballgame.
Titignan mo ito mo, parang gustong-gusto nang tapusin talaga ng Mobiline sa oras na ito, itong larong to.
There's John Best with a three-pointer from PLDT long distance country, and the loose ball foul will be called. Let's see. Loose ball foul on Glenn Capasio. Panguna yan ni Glenn Capasio. This coach Perry Ronquillo.
Oo, at eto, I think they should settle down. Nasabi natin kanina, just mag-set ng play. Ano? Yung mga isolation sila are not working.
Again, there's John Best with a jump off. This time it goes in. That's the first basket para dito sa Formula Shell Super Unleaded. At cause for celebration na kagad para doon sa mga fans nila.
Tama yung ginawa ni John Best. No? He did not wait for the double team. Just took the shot early para hindi na siya ma-double team.
McClary, but the early foul given up by Chris Jackson. Una pa lamang yan ni Chris Jackson. At first team foul yan ng Formula Shell Gas Kings with 8 minutes and 45 to go here in the first quarter.
Napaka-importante ng mga matchups dito. Ayan, Jackson at saka yung McClary na yan. No? Lot will depend on this matchup sa resulta ng larong ito.
Mobiline. Here's Capasio. Al Solis again pop from PLDT long distance country. This time he overshoots it. Ito na, umaatake na naman ng Formula Shell Super Unleaded. Lamang ng dalawang Mobiline.
What's good about this is yung defense sila not giving any cheap points. Walang madaling basket.
Oo, kita mo yan. Si Benji Paras, papilipit na tira sa gilid. Tumama pa nga yung tira niya sa gilid ng backboard. Pero paano may tatawag dito naman kay Alvin Teng. First foul ito si Alvin Teng. At pangalawa yan dito sa Mobiline foam pass. Nung game 5 man nag-start ito si Alvin Teng. Nung game, well, actually first 4 games it was Gabby Cui was starting para dito sa Mobiline foam pass.
Ito, importante rin na tonight how Benji Paras will play offensively because he needs to support their imports scoring-wise. Ano? Nakita natin yung mga numbers kanina. Maliit ang chance nila manalo kung hindi mag-i-score ng malaki-laki yung kanilang mga local.
Yes, and Benji Paras, he scored 8 points noong pong game 5. He splits his charities. Lamang pa rin ang isa mga foam fouls. 8 minutes to go here in the first quarter.
Ramdam natin yung championship tension dito. Ito, dalawang team na ito talagang nandyan. Mararamdaman nyo, you can cut it with a knife. Ika nga.
At talagang namubuong rivalry itong dalawang clubs na to. Itong Mobiline at Formula Shell ibang klase. Ng Glenn Capasio, slip of the ball at sila naman ang mabebe-24han dito. And that time, ika nga, epektibo itong depensa ng Formula Shell Super Unleaded.
And as we anticipated, no, it's turning out to be a real defensive game. Both teams showing intense defense.
At yung maganda sa depensa, di ba, Coach Cheng, ika nga, itong depensa, nagre-rely more on attitude, no, rather than aptitude. Kaya kahit na underman ka, kulang ang tao mo, basta full yung spirit at ika nga, bigay ang mga bata mo, you can put up very good defense.
Yun. Tama yun. At saka ang depensa, walang malas sa depensa. No? Yung opensa mo, maaaring some nights, mamalasin ka. Pero sa defense, walang minamalas dyan.
Hindi pwedeng i-declare ng mga player mo na, Coach, off night kami sa defense.
Hindi pwede yun.
Off night.
Sipag ang kailangan sa depensa.
There's John Best sa kanyang unang free throw. Hindi pumasok. At ito talagang yung score natin. Nananatiling 4-3. Isa lamang kalamangan itong Mobiline foam fouls. And John Best. At hindi pa rin na-equalize ito si John Best.
Medyo masama-samang senyales para sa Mobiline. 3 free throws na yan. Isa kay Benji, 2 kay John Best ang namintis nila foul shots.
At ika nga, makikita mo yan. Will it take its toll dito sa endgame natin? Yung mga missed free throws sa simula. Meanwhile, si Al Solis mintis from long distance, from PLDT long distance country. Ito si Solis talagang may lisensyang tumira. Ito si Donald Williams naman. Partially deflected. Follow-up naman ni Chris Jackson. Wala pa rin para dito sa Formula Shell.
Oo. Alam mo yung matchup ng Williams at saka Silas Mills, ha? Parang hirap na hirap si Williams makashoot kay Silas Mills.
There's Capasio. Siya naman from PLDT long distance country. And this time, hindi pa rin nagkikilig itong long game, so to speak, nitong Mobiline foam fouls. And they've been trying.
Oo, naka-3 3-point shots na yan. Wala pang pumapasok. Pero that's really a function of the defense. So, yan, nakita natin talagang defensahan sila rito.
At that time, foul naman itatawag dito kay Robocop. Pangalawa na para dito kay Alvin Teng. At pang-apat dito sa Mobiline with 6 2:40 to go. We're nearing the halfway mark at ang score natin, Mobiline 4 and Shell 3.
Ang tagal na dyan at medyo low scoring talaga itong larong ito.
Here's Donald Williams. The pick by Benji Parasi, fires along. One wala from PLDT Long Distance Country. At nagmimintis din itong Formula Shell Super Unled. At sabi nga natin, ika-credit mo yung depensahan ng magkabilang koponan.
Pareho matitindi itong offense.
Oh, ito si McLaren,
Ayan pa.
mawawalan pa. Benji Paras, forward pass dito kay John Best. John Best with a getaway. At yun yung pinakamadaling basket so far na nakita natin sa gabing ito.
Actually, that's the first fast break point
Yes.
that we've seen because both of these teams are playing excellent transition defense. Whoa!
Whoa, McLaren with a curl. And J.S. Jackson bellying up on Team McLaren. Pangalawa na yan ni Chris Jackson at pangalawa team foul ng Formula Shell. At ito, unang kumurap ang Mobiline foam pass. Sila ang unang tatawag ng timeout. Mababalik po kami ni Coach Jack. Makita niya sa ating slow-mo mga kaibigan. Huling play para dito sa Formula Shell. Good defense begets very good offense. Yung
Ayun.
kasabihan sa basketball.
Oo, kaya lumamang na rito ang Shell pero mababa pa rin ang scoring 5-4 lang for Shell, 1-point lead.
And under 6 minutes to go. Pero early nakita mo yung help defense no biglang tumarating kagad sa post enders. Al Solis, he rings the bell from PLDT Country's first 3-pointer for the night.
Ito si Al Solis talaga, when he gets a good look at that 3-point basket, kahit na nagmintis na ng 3-4 yan, ibibigay mo sa kanya, then he'll take it. Kaya yun, pumasok na at last yung kanya 3-point shot.
And one thing with itong backcourt ng Mobile and Pumas, pag nakikita lang very tight at nahihirapan yung mga import sila, nandun lagi sila to provide yung outside relief ika nga
Oo.
There's Benji Paras. Donald Williams, ito hirap na hirap ang Formula Shell. Go! Ito si Donald Williams, what of a prayer, pumasok.
Pero hindi mo na masisi yung depensa ng Mobiline doon. They gave Williams a very difficult shot, he still made it.
Meanwhile, to si Silas Mills, he was trapped sa sidelines. There's Tim McLaren attacking the boards. Yes.
Binawi agad, hindi McLaren, mukhang babawiin din.
Oh, what a sidestepping move coming from John Best. And that time, medyo may breakdown doon sa depensa ng Mobile and Pompas. And John Best quickly attacking the basket.
Oo, itong Shell, nakadalawang fast break na ito. Hindi makababa masyadong mabilis itong Mobiline defense. Sinasabi ni Coach Eric kanina, yung focus nila nawala na ron.
The score is tied, 9-all. There's Tim McLaren. Outside from PLDT Long Distance Country. Wala this time. Itong loose ball foul na naman si Alvin Teng. Alam mo, binabanggit natin ito sa guard matchup natin kanina. Between McLaren and ito si Donald Williams. Donald Williams is the better outside shooter than Tim McLaren. He would rather operate inside. Ito si Tim McLaren.
Oo, pero ito si Tim McLaren, alam mo yan, he knows how to change his game. Change up kamukha kanina, gumawa siya ng isang 3-point shot. Nakitaan din natin si John Best sa isang turnaround jump shot doon, ano?
And there's Silas Mills. And Silas Mills, wala. Tim McLaren, offensive rebound and a slam dunk.
Bumilis ang tempo, bumilis ang pace ng larong ito.
11-all. 4 minutes to go. Dito sa ating first quarter. Here's Dennis Williams. Laban kay Alvin Teng. Oh, layo nun.
Layo.
Dito long distance country. Wala. Taping ni Chris Jackson. John Best attacking the hoop. Wala. Silas Mills.
Well, pwede na ipasa ni John Best kay Benji Paras, but he elected to take the shot himself.
Meanwhile, itong si Estrada trying to contain Team McLaren. Gives up a foul instead. At una yan ni Jeremy Estrada. Pangatlo na Formula Shell. Eric Reyes papasok. Upo ito si Alvin Teng na meron ng kagad na 3 personal fouls dito sa ating first quarter.
Nabanggit natin yung situation ng Mobiline. Kung mapapout trouble pa yung ibang players sila, lalo
Problema.
silang mahirapan. Oh, Silas Mills.
From PLDT Long Distance Country. At 5 puntos na itong si Silas Mills. Quickly, gusto kagad baguhin itong si John Best. Pero that time around, nakaset up na kagad itong depensa ng Mobiline Foam Pals. John Best. Kailangan siyang lumayo pa doon sa basket na yun. Ika, kumambyo pa para makakuha ng tira.
Oo.
There's a good back pass ni Capasio. They try to reverse the ball. Si Capasio naghihintay doon. And Glenn Capasio from PLDT Long Distance Country. Yes!
Hindi nakaset up agad yung Shell defense, so they had to rotate. Ang rotation nila masyadong malayo, kaya hindi na mahabol yung 3-point shot na yun.
But that was a nice play run by Mobiline foam pass. Ito si Jerry Espana, John Best. Team McLaren talagang dinidikitan ng gusto itong si John Best.
Oo, walang
Defending
double
the
team.
low post. Oo, at andun biglang naagawan siya ni Silas Mills. And Silas Mills rumaragasa. That time nakikita niya, naggagalawan pa sa gitna. Sinamantala niya yung pagkakataon. Umatake itong si Silas Mills.
Oo. Ang problema dito kay John Best, ano, he's been taking most of the shots of Shell. Sinasabi natin, he's trying too hard. Medyo gigil at pilit.
That's the last basket by Silas Mills. Mga kaibigan, tumak na tama ng Formula Show. Kami ni Coach Cheng magbabalik mula dito sa Cuneta Astrodome. Lahat ng mga fans dito sa Cuneta Astrodome via bus, jeep, kotse, at kahit wheelchair. Yan po, mga fans po yan ng Mobiline.
Ito yung nanalo ng ating Philippine Wheelchair Basketball. Itong Mobiline team na ito. Recently, nag-championship sila. No? Mobiline versus Blue. At ayan ang nanalo ngayon. Sumusuporta naman sila sa Mobiline team dito.
Pasok ang unang free throw ni Silas Mills. Ang pangalawa ay nagmintis. 7-point lead para sa Mobiline. 18-11. And Mike Castillo in the ballgame. Together with Jojo Lim para dito sa Formula Shell. There's Donald Williams. And blocked there by Silas Mills. But Shell recovers. Benji Paras outlet to Donald Williams from PLDT long distance country. Wala pa rin.
Malaki problema ni Donald Williams kay Silas Mills. Hindi niya...
Papasok. Aling sa kanan naman. And slowly itong mga locals naman ng Mobiline coaching. Yung kumpiyansa nila nabubuo dito sa ball game na ito.
Oo, kasi nakikita nila yung mga imports sila. Hirap talaga dun sa mga matchups nila eh.
Samantala, dito naman sa Formula Shell Super Unlead, wala pang pumuputok na ni isang local for them. And ito, merong foul. Tatawag dito kay Eric Reyes. Mobiline is in penalty. So that would mean itong si Benji Paras ay tutubo ngayon sa 4.5 meter line.
Ang kapansin-pansin na kasamang Mon, yung import matchup, ano, Team McLaren versus John Best. Team McLaren getting the better of that matchup. At lalong-lalo na yung Silas Mills versus Donald Williams. Hindi makita ni Donald Williams yung basket dahil masyadong malaki at mabilis itong si Silas Mills.
Yes, and Benji Paras. That's his second point at lahat ng putos ito si Benji Paras. Kinukuha niya sa 4.5 meter line. Let's see itong pangalawa para dito kay Benji Paras. Yes, super 2 para kay Benji Paras. Mobiline 20 and Shell 13. Under 2 minutes to go dito sa ating first quarter.
Itong last few times nakitaan natin outside shooting ng Mobiline. Umiinit na rin. That's a bad situation for Shell.
Almost at the top out there by Formula Shell. Pero mula na dito ngayon sa Mobiline. Eric Reyes too deep. Lalabas muna ito si Eric Reyes. 2 seconds to shoot. At to put up that one. At makita mo, nag-hustle pa itong si Al Solis to get that ball. Pero nasa Formula Shell Super Unlead. Napakakataon nyo na mapalitang kalamangan dito ng Mobiline.
Oo.
Here's Jojo Lim. Maganda nilaro niya noong Game 5 para sa Formula Shell. Williams to John Best. 4 seconds. Williams. Blocked by Team McLaren. At ang dami ng supal palang inaabot ni Donald Williams para. And Silas Mills. Layup niya wala.
And Donald Williams is really discouraged. You know? Lahat ng itinira niya halos nasupalpal.
That's titignan mo naman itong tignan natin to. There's Donald Williams being blocked there by T. McLaren. For that, makikita yun. Maglo-launch ka agad. Itong Mobiline quick to look for that fast break attack. Itong hilinga ay dito kay Silas Mills.
Oo. At so far, no, the imports dominating the defensive game. The imports of Mobiline dominating the imports of Shell defensively dito sa larong ito. Oy, gandang ano yan ha. Poster, ginawang santo yung dalawang import ng Mobiline ha.
Again, papasok sa ball game na to. Reminder ni Coach Eric Altamirano sa mga imports niya. Focus lamang at di lamang ilang mga laro talaga makikita mo, lalo-lalo na sa endgame kung saan itong mga imports ay may mga outbursts, no, which could have really decided yung outcome ng mga laro ng Mobiline.
Well, maaga pa, no? Pero so far, all imports are keeping their cool, especially Silas Mills.
Meanwhile, Benji Paras forcing a shot, wala. Final 30 seconds ng first quarter natin. There's the skip pass. Solis to McLaren and there's the bump foul. by John Best or Benji Paras.
Foul number 14, Benji Paras for the second foul.
Pangalawa ni Benji Paras sa penalty na itong Formula Shell Last Games. Kaya naman tutungo muli sa 4.5 meter line itong Mobiline foam pals.
Mas maganda magpasahan ng Mobiline, ano? Maganda yung execution nila. Kaya they're always able to find that free man. That time resulting into a foul by Benji Paras. Oh! Nagmimintis na rin.
Way short yung attempt na yun ni T. McClary. At yung nirereklamo ni Coach ni Perry Ronquillo, masyado silang maraming binigay na free throws din dito sa Mobiline, dito sa mga pagkatalo nila, yung mga games na kung saan natatalo itong Formula Shell.
Well, basically, ang dahilan yan, dahil itong Mobiline offense is really very aggressive. Ano? Pasugod talaga itong opensa ng Mobiline. Kaya kung ikaw ang dumidepensa, talagang tendency mo, foulin sila.
At shooting situation yung madalas
Shooting situation pa.
15 seconds to go dito sa ating first quarter. Lamang ang Mobiline foam pals. Sa isang pagkakataon lamang limang mga Formula Shell. The last was at 11-9. Pero the rest, ito ngayon, Mobiline na nananaig. 5 seconds na lamang na lalalabi. 2 seconds to shoot para sa Shell. Wala pa silang options. Mabepende 4 ano uli sila. Let's see. At ito, may ititigil na yan dahil pero tuloy-tuloy ang ating game clock.
Oo, ang problema para sa Shell. It's taking them too long to set up that offense.
And let's see at the momentary lull here because itong mga referees natin nag-signal na 24-second violation. With mga 3 seconds pa nalalabi doon eh. Kung ako nagkakamali, Coach Cheng. Let's see, they will reset yung ating game clock.
Yes, so meron palang tawag na ano ron, na shot clock violation.
Yes.
No? So pwede i-reset ng ref yan. You can give them a few more seconds, no? Dahil according to them, tinawag nila.
Yes, and so momentary lull dito mga kaibigan. Let's see, kahuli-huling mga segundo. 1.6 seconds, doon na-reset ang ating orasan. So, that's the official announcement. So, bola nitong Mobiline foam pals.
For 1.6 seconds, ano? Pwede pa. They can get off a shot in 1.6 seconds.
Tapasyo doing the honors. Sa gitna, sa Silas Mills and Silas Mills sealed off from getting that pass. At doon matatapos sa ating first quarter mga kaibigan at namamayagpag ang Mobiline foam pals. Can they keep up the pressure for the next 3 quarters? Malalaman nyo po sa aming pagbabalik.